Hello friends, what's up? Hope you are fine now friends. In this video we have a look of Tron TRX crypto. What's going on TRX crypto, what's the price change, what's the high price, and what is the current status of TRX in the cryptocurrencies markets. I will show you in this video friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more latest news and updates about cryptocurrency news. Now let's get start the video. First of all, we look the price prediction of TRX. After that, we decide that it's the best time to buy, sell or hold TRX crypto. So friends, as you can see now on this time, the last 1 hour price prediction of the TRX crypto, as you can see here, the change occur in TRX is about negative 1.34% change occur in TRX, and the last 1 hour and the high price of TRX is about $0.120946 is the high price of TRX in the previous last 1 hour friends. If we look the chart analysis of TRX crypto, so the chart analysis tell us that they continuously falls down. As you can see here, that is why the changes are in negative, as you can see on the change here. You can see here friends, if we look the currently change at this time now, so now at this time TRX is also in the false mood. I'm sorry to say that, but it's the reality of TRX holders. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction, what's the change goes, and the last 1 day of TRX in this time. As you can see now on screen, that is the last 1 day price prediction, last 1 day price change occur and TRX crypto. If we talk about the change occur in the last 1 hour and last 1 day as about negative 1.19% change occur in the 1 day and TRX crypto. If we look the chart analysis, so the start of this day they start jumping upward, but as you can see here after last previous 2 hours they continuously falls down. As you can see here, if we look the currently situation at this time, the TRX is now in the falls, very badly falls down. As you can see here, very badly falls down, and the high price of TRX in the last 1 day is about $0.125869 is the high price of TRX in the last 1 day. Now let's see the last 1 week price prediction, what's the change goes, and the last 7 day you can see here, that's the last 1 week price prediction of the TRX coin. As you can see here, so the last 1 week, last 7 day price prediction is absolutely good. As you can see here, the change occur in the TRX in the last 7 day as about 34.39% change occur in TRX in the last 7 day, and the high price of your TRX is about $0.147592 is the high price of TRX in the last 7 day. If we look the chart analysis, as you can see here, 3rd, 5th and 6th April as the jumping day of the TRX at this time. As you can see here, they take a jump in 3, 5, 6 April. If we look this, after 6 April they falls down. As you can see here, and now 7 April they again start jumping upward, but they later time they take a jump, and now currently if we look the 8 April at the last of this today they are falling down. As you can see here friends, so that is last 1 hour, last 7 day price prediction you are watching now. So friends, according to the price prediction of the last 1 hour, last 1 day and last 7 day, it is clear that TRX crypto falls down. But if we look the last 7 day price prediction change, so the last 7 day price prediction change as in positive 34%, absolutely good change. So that's mean that the TRX crypto jumping upward, but they are falls down for a little period. As you can see here, they falls down for approximately 2 days. 2 days they falls down. As you can see here, that is 2 days result of the TRX coin. The 7th April and 8th April they falling down. So the whole are not falling down, but say only at this time they falls down. So we have a hope of a good. As you can see here, always think positive. TRX crypto maybe goes upward in the future. So please, my suggestion for you, my plan, that's hold your TRX coin with the last of this month, because the big explosion of the TRX are coming soon. So please wait for it and hold your TRX coin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.